Let's make a very comfortable zip and patch design in your neck for your dresses. Front and back. Neck width is 3 inch. Neck length 1 inch. We take out the front of the dress because I cut front and back together. It's a simple dress and this is the front. So we cut the front neck length 3 inch. You can see, be careful how I kept the measuring tape. You can increase the length of the front neck by 1 or 2 more inches, like you can make it 4 inch deep or 5 inch deep, the front neck. Maximum is 7 inch because after that it will be too long. Now I'm using this jeans zipper. This is a metal zipper which I'm using, and keep the zipper, mark it 1 inch lesser than the zipper, then cut till this marking. This is a square fabric, a scrap you can call. On top of it, we keep the front neckline, front side of the dress. Place it, pin it so it doesn't move. Then stitch around this cutting, our neckline. When you reach on this turning point, just stop there. Keep tip of the needle inside. Then up the presser foot. Keep the presser foot down and again continue with the stitching. At the end of the cut, leaving ½ inch, I made one more marking where my index finger is. See, around this small pin. Here we stop. Again, needle inside, presser foot up. Do it carefully. Stop again and then turn. Reach exactly where the other end of the front neck cut stitches, and then stitch till the other end. It doesn't require any expertise. It is very simple. I am an ordinary person like you, and if I can make, you can make it better than me. So cut this extra fabric around this neckline. Make small cuts around this stitching line, but make sure you don't accidentally cut on the stitched line. Make this cut again. Then this is the crucial part. See, this is a small cut here and a very small cut here. This will make sure that when you turn the fabric, your neckline comes out very neat, tidy and beautiful. See, we turn it and we press it. On the back side, we got this patch kind of a thing. You can give it any shape of your fancy and leave some fabric around which can be folded. This is, one more kind of design that you can make in any of your dress. A contrasting patch in any dress. Now this is the back side of our dress neckline. So we stitch around it. It is a busy print. It means print. So the same color thread would not be visible. on this, but if you are using light color fabric, you can use heavy. Now we use this jeans which we fold from top and then stitch parallel to it. Here you pay attention. When I up the presser foot, I up this zipper, then down this presser foot. Continue with the stitching. Keep the needle slightly in. This is a metal zipper, so we should not try to stitch over it. Our needle is very fragile, so we continue slowly, or we can skip slightly if the metal is coming inside. Okay, we can stitch in this these small loops of the zipper, but don't try to stitch on it, otherwise the needle will break. Now we keep the lock up. See, I have the other machine also, and even for this machine I have that single foot for zipper, especially for stitching zippers or pipings. But especially I stitched with this 2-foot general presser foot, because many of you don't have single foot. This video may be helpful for you. So here again we get the presser foot up and down, fold the zipper from here. See, there are many other methods also which I may share with you in future, but right now this is the simplest, easiest method you can make in very less time. And see, other side also I stitch, and here till the end I make it double stitch, so it is strong enough the zipper doesn't come out. You can make this kind of a neck in any kind of dress, and it is very comfortable. It doesn't it's not uncomfortable. It doesn't bother you even in summer dresses. So this is, you can take different length of zipper. Now we also finish the back neck with a bias tape. I generally use 1.5 inch wide bias tape, that is kurti patti, but you can even take 1 inch wide kurti patti or bias tape. So I simply keep it on the back side of the back neck and stitch around it. Don't pull the neckline or this tape, because this is the different method we are adopting here. Okay. Now we turn it on the right side, fold it and make one more stitch. So this top would give you slightly a ready-made kind of a look when it is finished. Many people appreciated it, so I decided to make this top for you, because it is very simple, very comfortable, and gives a very neat, tidy, comfortable, professional look. You can even wear in your office or any casual get-togethers. Here we finish it. We cut the extra fabric which is on both sides of the neck. See, we cut it. Now we place the front of our dress and join the shoulders. join the shoulders. When we open it, it will look somewhat like this. It is not ironed yet. Once we iron, it gives a neat and tidy, beautiful look. So let me know in the below comment section if you have any other idea how this dress can be made, how the zipper can be added. Take care, stay happy, bye bye.